Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel Beauties from this side Veronica. So guys, today I'm going to show you my new Model 1 gel nail paint kit. So Model 1 has just sent me this beautiful whole kit of gel nail with including LED lamp, top coat and base coat, and I'm super duper excited to share this with you guys. So beauties, let's get started. As you can see, yesterday I'm done with my acrylic nail extensions, but I haven't applied nail paint yet because I want to use this Model 1's gel nail polishes. So let's get started. Let's start unboxing it. Beauties, as you can see, it is written here, we communicate the world with colors. That's great. Okay, so this one is UV LED nail lamp. Okay, so it's a user manual here and USB. So guys, this is a LED lamp. It's so pretty. Yes, Model 1's top and base coat. Woohoo, I just love the shape, or I must say the container, the bottle, or whatever you called it. Just see it guys, how pretty and classy it is. The wooden cap with Model 1's nail gel enamel. Oh my goodness, I just love the packaging. They are so elite and so nice. So it contains top coat and base coat. So now this is the main thing. So this is the nail enamels. Model 1's nail enamels. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shades, and this is a magnet to make a nail art or nail designs. This is a magnet which I'm going to show you how to use it and how to do this. So okay, let's start from the shades one by one. Firstly, let me show you all the shades of this Model 1's. So friends, as we all know, top coat and base coat are always transparent, but still let me show you. Okay, so it is like this. It is totally transparent. These are base coat and top coat. Now let me show you these. Let's start from this side. Okay, so the name of it is Endless Purple, you can see. Whoa-wee, how pretty it is. This is so pretty. This is Endless Purple. Now the second one is Nebula. This is a Galaxy kit, I must say. I forgot to tell you the name. This is a Galaxy kit. So now this one is, whoa-wee, this is so good. This is so pretty. Beauties, I'm super duper excited to show you guys. Trust me, I'm super duper excited to apply this on my beautiful nails. Now the next one is Starry Night. Whoa-wee, oh my goodness, can you see this? Beauties, again, this one is amazing. This one is so pretty. It's like a white and bluey kind of shade. It's a true Starry Night. Now the next one is Blue Fixed Star. Okay, Okay, it's a dark blue, totally dark blue, as you can see. next one is Milky Way. Whoa, again this one is so pretty. I think I have to use magnet on this one, as it is also written in the manual that I have to use this one with the magnet. Though I am going to show you in my demo section. Now this one is planet. Let's see how it is. Oh, again a beautiful blue shade. Guys, you know what? I just love blue shades. These are so pretty. These are seriously so pretty. Now the next one is the last one, I must say. The last one is Star Color Cluster. Okay. Now this one again, I think, yes, I have to use magnet with this one. Woohoo! This is so pretty. This is again so pretty. So beauties, I think we should start our demo section. I'm going to apply these on my nails and I'm super duper excited. So friends, here my Modelon's LED UV lamp is ready with USB cable, and now I am taking this base coat firstly and I'm going to apply it on my nails. So let me take my base coat first. Now this is top coat and this is base coat. Okay, so firstly here I'm applying this base coat to my nails and I'm going to let it dry with this UV LED lamp. It's the LED time, so I am putting it on 60 seconds like this and letting it dry. Beauties, here I'm done with this base coat. So now let's start applying this nail gel nail polishes. I have one design in my mind which I'm going to make on my nails. So let's get started. So firstly here I'm taking this endless purple and I'm going to apply it on my thumbnail. This endless purple. Now I'm going to letting it dry in my UV LED lamp for 90 seconds. So friends, after it dries, I'm going to apply this nebula on it. This nebula one is really very pretty. So I'm going to apply this on it. After drying, it is looking like this. Oh my goodness, this is so good. This is so pretty. So let's move further. Our next nail paint which I'm going to apply is Starry Night on my this finger. So let's apply. Whoa, this shade is so pretty. Can you see this? This is so pretty. Now next one is I'm going to apply in this middle finger, which is this blue fixed star. This blue fixed star, I'm going to let it dry. As you can see, this is a very pretty, very beautiful dark blue shade. Now letting it dry. So beauties, after letting it dry, now this step is the important one. I'm using this Milky Way, and with the help of this magnet, I'm going to make a galaxy kind of thing. So I'm super duper excited. I have never done this before. So let's see how it works. I'm going to apply on it. Like this. Now I'm going to take this magnet and putting it on it like this, and whoa, like, oh my goodness, this is a cat eye kind of look. You can see how pretty it is. This is so pretty. You can see. So now after these three are done, I'm going to apply on this finger, and for this here I'm taking that nebula one again, because I want to have one finger which should be totally glittery, or I must say. So now I'm going to apply this nebula one on this finger, because I just love glitter, you know. Whoa, you can see how pretty it is looking. So now these four are done. Last but not the least, I'm going to apply this planet one. This is again a very glittery blue kind of shade. I'm going to apply this one on my last finger. So beauties, last, as you can see, this is so pretty. This is like a blue, a totally shimmery blue kind of shade, and now I'm going to let it dry. So beauties, here I'm done with this. You can see how pretty and beautiful they all are looking. And one more thing I want to tell you, I have this Milky Way and star cluster. They both are same. The only difference is that this one Milky Way is blue in shade. You can see this is blue, beautiful blue, and this one is orangish yellow. So I am not using this one because my theme is blue and white, so that's why here I'm using only Milky Way. Otherwise they both are same. So now the last step is applying top coat. So here I'm taking this top coat and applying it to seal this nail paint. You can see. So friends, here I'm done with this Model 1's Galaxy Nail Gel Nail Kit, and I'm so happy with the result. They are so pretty. You can see guys, they are so pretty. This These nail paints are too good. So beauties, I'm going to share the link of this Model 1's whole kit in my description box, so don't forget to check my description box. Beauties, hope you have liked this video, hope you have enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any requested video, just comment it in the comment section. I love you so much guys. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.